Did you know that even native English speakers make mistakes while speaking or writing in English? Studies show that around 80% of people misuse common words and phrases every day. Have you ever wondered if you are making these mistakes too? Let's find out. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about embarrassing English mistakes that many people make. Mistakes that can change the meaning of what you want to say. Don't worry. We are here to help you fix these mistakes and make your English even better. English is a wonderful language, but it can be tricky. There are so many words that sound the same, but have different meanings. There are grammar rules that seem confusing. And sometimes we translate directly from our native language, which can lead to mistakes. These mistakes can make it hard for people to understand us, or they can change what we want to say completely. For example, have you ever said, "I did a mistake" instead of "I made a mistake"? It is a simple mistake, but it shows how a small error can change the meaning. These mistakes are common, but learning to fix them can make a big difference in how well you speak English. So, let's look at some of the most common mistakes and learn how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Confusing borrow and lend. If you borrow something, you take it. If you lend something, you give it. Examples. Incorrect. Can you borrow me your pen? Correct. Can you lend me your pen? Mistake 2. Using less instead of fewer. Use less for uncountable things, like water, money, or time. Use fewer for countable things, like apples, cars, or books. Examples. Incorrect. I have less friends than you. Correct. I have fewer friends than you. Mistake 3. Saying "I'm agree" instead of "I agree." In English, we don't say "I'm agree." Just say "I agree." Examples. Incorrect. I'm agree with you. Correct. I agree with you. Mistake 4. Using fun as an adjective. Fun is a noun. If you want to describe something as enjoyable, use funny or enjoyable. Examples. Incorrect. That was a fun movie. Correct. That movie was enjoyable. Mistake 5. Confusing say and tell. Use say without an object. Use tell with an object someone. Examples. Incorrect. She said me that she is tired. Correct. She told me that she is tired. Mistake 6. Mixing up make and do. Make is for creating or producing something. Do is for actions, activities, or tasks. Examples. Incorrect. I need to do a decision. Correct. I need to make a decision. Mistake 7. Incorrect use of articles. A and the. Use a before consonant sounds, and before vowel sounds and the for specific things. Examples. Incorrect. I saw a cat in the garden. Correct. I saw a cat in the garden. Mistake 8. Wrong word order in questions. Examples. Incorrect. You are coming with us? Correct. Are you coming with us? Mistake 9. Mispronouncing comfortable. It should be comfortable. Mistake 10. Mixing up V and W sounds. Practice saying very versus, wary, vine versus, wine, vest versus, west. Mistake 11. Using double negatives. In English, two negatives make a positive. Examples. Incorrect. I don't know nothing. Correct. I don't know anything. Mistake 12. Apostrophe confusion. Use S for possession. Sarah's book. Use S for plural possession. Students' books. Do not use apostrophes for plural nouns. Cats, dogs. Here is a mistake that can be both funny and embarrassing. Confusing lose and loose. Lose means to not have something anymore. Loose means not tight. Examples. Incorrect. I don't want to lose my keys. Correct. I don't want to lose my keys. Incorrect. These pants are loose. Correct. These pants are loose. Mistake 13. Using interested verses. Interesting. If something interests you, you are interested. If something causes interest, it is interesting. Examples. Incorrect. I am interested in learning English. Correct. I am interested in learning English. Mistake 14. Mixing fun and funny. Fun is enjoyable. Funny makes you laugh. Examples. Incorrect. That movie was so fun. Correct. That movie was so funny. Mistake 15. Misusing look, see, and watch. Look is to direct your eyes at something. See is to notice something. Watch is to look at something for a period of time. Examples. Incorrect. I watched the stars last night. Correct. I looked at the stars last night. Wow. We covered a lot of mistakes today. Vocabulary errors, grammar mistakes, pronunciation issues, and more. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them. If you've ever made any of these mistakes, don't be shy. Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos for more tips to improve your English. See you next time.